She mixed banana and beer, couldn't believe what happened after 7 days. Hair loss, also known as alopecia or baldness, is the loss of hair from the head or body. It can vary from a small area to the entire body. It can be a result of heredity, hormonal changes, illnesses, or medications. Before we begin, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and share my videos with friends if you enjoy them. This condition can affect men, women, and children. If you are currently struggling with excessive hair loss, try solving the problem in a completely natural way. This amazing natural recipe can help you. The best part about this remedy is that it is entirely natural, free of toxins, easy to prepare, and has no side effects. Here's what you need. Ingredients: 1 raw egg, yolk only. 1/2 banana. 1/2 cup of beer. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Procedure: preparing this incredible and effective recipe is very simple. Just add all the ingredients to a blender and mix until a homogeneous mixture is achieved. Apply the mixture to the affected areas and let it sit for a few hours. If the area feels warm to the touch, don't worry, it's a good sign that the remedy is effective and your skin is reacting well. Repeat this process at least once a week, and soon you'll see amazing results. Did you read the article to the end? Interested? Then you can reward the editor's work by giving the article a like on Facebook or sharing it. Thank you.